Toasties, and we are playing Bloxburg today, and yeah, featuring my friend Yucky Donut. Yeah. So all we have to do is join a.
I'm joining you, man.
Come on, you're just gonna go on friends. You just gonna go in your favorite.
I found you.
Okay, easy peasy.
Okay.
Guys, if you want to see my host setup, I can show you, but I need to set up my laptop first in that game because I have a monitor.
Are you kidding me? My connection.
Come on, the ads are even sad faces. What is that? Like really? What kind of thing is that? He's restarting Roblox, guys. He's a creeper. Okay, guys, you can hear me every disable. Then boom. Yeah, you're done for Discord life, man. Yeah, you're done for it. Wait. Guys, this is all I can do with my setup. And I have my and I have my friend's setup and my setup. So check my OBS. It's fine. Fine. So guys, I'll invite you then, guys. Don't you see in my video, his videos, I have a yellow chair. In it, green, not yellow. Come on, who likes yellow? Who likes yellow? It's a pea color. Come on.
Ew, it's disgusting.
And this is my monitor with my black keyboard and black mouse. Everything's black. Even my computer is black, so. On my laptop. So.
Okay, I'm gonna go take a.
So this is where I'm gonna place my laptop. 5%. I'll make you guess. Come. What? Guys, guys, I have to sleep. Just kidding. No. And why do we even have a pea color right here? Guys, tell me in comments down below how does doing the toilet make you clean? Of course it makes you clean because you get all that stuff off. I mean, like, how does it make you, like, energized? That's the weirdest, stupidest thing. Freaking ugly keyboard. I'm touching my keyboard.
I'm done. I'm out of here.
Hey.
Just lost connection.
Hey. Guys. This is a Bloxburg house tour here. So, all we have to do is show my friend's computer, mechanical keyboard, red fancy chair, my setup you already seen, and all you have to do is go to our inside, and here's the kitchen, which is lovely kitchen. Lovely, such a lovely kitchen. Even we have a dining room with music, lovely music, and we have a garage with a car and a skateboard. Stop. Oh, we have fidgets, yeah. And the fidget spinners run ahead to my toes. Okay, my Zach, my lovely pool, which is I'm leaving my lights on for all day. Come on, it's lovely. And even we have to show this room, reading room, and instruments. Yeah, you know. And here is the bedroom. Okay. So here's the bathroom. It's a lovely bathroom. So with a rug, bathtub, a lovely stuff here. Toilet where you pee and poo, and painting, which is I messed up, and counters, and chairs, sofas, and changing clothes, and then TV, and books, and like that's all for the house tour. Even I have to show this out, my palm tree. Look at my palm tree and party pose. Guys, that is going to be it for my house tour video, and that's going to be it. Goodbye. Yeah. Make sure to hit that like button, Toasty fans, and make sure to subscribe.